Good morning. Today it is the second day of Easter time and not very many people invited to have a common dinner or lunch, so I can just think about next recording for L.O.V.E. Let's go just to task that Nelly prepared for us. So we are now in Moodle and the task sharing your video tutorial about Zoom. What it should have been prepared. The video tutorial should demonstrate how to schedule the Zoom meeting, highlight the features of the Zoom, and demonstrate how to use it for the features available in your Zoom meeting. Okay, quite a lot. Let's see what can we do. So let's go then to Zoom. I've started scheduling our meeting from login to the system. I just started with a separate login just for L.O.V.E. Training, and I put here how to schedule a meeting in Zoom in a topic line, and I add also a short description, share your video tutorial in L.O.V.E. Here is just a date and time. I just decided to invest in this presentation. I don't think so it will be longer than a few minutes. And also here is a time that's exactly in the place that I'm staying. So it's Warsaw in Poland. I can prepare this meeting as recurring one, but I don't think so it will be a good idea, so I just resign from it. Usually when I'm organizing meetings for my learners over 70, 80 years old, I meet them each week on Thursday, but now it will be just one. Here is generation of ID of the meeting, which is not personal one, but generated by the system. I also would like to require a meeting password. At the very beginning, video for hosts and participants will be off, and both ways of audio, it means telephone and computer audio, is declared. There is also meeting options. I can enable join before host. I can mute participants upon entry and enabling waiting room. I decided to allow my participants to wait in a waiting room. There is also recording the meeting automatically on my computer, but as a host I can just record it, but usually before I ask my participants if they allow me to record. So I save this these features. Then I can start the meeting. Okay, it's going for a while because I think there are very many people using Zoom nowadays. So it's even very quickly, that unexpectedly very quick. So here is just the first screen I've got as a host, and with information about password and generated by the system, and also URL. When I'm sending an invitation, I'm just sending this URL for my participants. In the line on the bottom, I've got a menu for hosts partner. So I usually start with unmuting and starting video. But today I will start from manage participants. Then you can have a look at only one participant, and I'm the only one. And also I usually use chat, which enable me to inform my participants if they've got some problem with their videos or microphone. It can help them. And sometimes when the quality of voice is not good enough, I'm also using this option for communication. I think there is also a very nice option, so-called sharing screen, which I use very often. So then I can use, for example, my first title screen with all participants. So now they can realize what the presentation is for. Now I'm stop sharing the screen. And finally, I'm ending our meeting and leaving for all.